how to fix this channel can't be displayed problem on Telegram app. So all what you have to do, guys, to fix this problem is very easy. First thing you want to do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager like this, and then open the apps and go to Telegram app. Now this is the app informations page. All what you have to do on this page is click on this option, and after you click on the fourth stop option, go down to the notifications management. Make sure that all the notifications are enabled, so this option must be enabled. Go back, click on this power usage details, click on it, and go to the app launch option. Click on it and make sure to disable the manage automatically option, and make sure that all those options are enabled. Click OK. Now go back to the home page and the problem must be solved. If it's not, then you may have to use a VPN to use that specific channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.